Here is my Valentine's Day 2020 house tour. I'm going to start with my favorite thing that I have, and it's my candy themed tiered tray. So this candy jar here is from Target Bullseye Playground, and the scatter underneath it is from Dollar Tree, and even the tiered tray itself is made with products from the Dollar Tree. And these are their little fairy garden houses in the candy theme. These are so cute. I love the glitter. I love the idea of the candy. And they also had some mini pieces in there too. I don't know if you can see them mixed in. And the white trees are leftover from Christmas from Dollar Tree. The little mailbox is from Target. And this book stack here is an old DIY that I had, and I just pulled out the succulent I had there and added a tulip. And the candle jar and the heart candle are both from Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree DIY as well. The sparkly branches did come from Walmart though. And then the burr sign and the wooden sign are both from Target Bullseye Playgrounds. Down here I have no idea where I got the love sign. The candle and the candle holder are from Dollar Tree, and then this I got at the 99-cent store. I think it was $2.99. And the heart is a couple years old from Bullseye Playground. And there's the little peglet of my mom. I always like to stick it somewhere special. This wreath, I can't really get close to it because it's up high, but it's one of the favorite things that I made this year. Everything here is from Dollar Tree, and even the frames behind it are just $9 Tree frames glued together. Arrows are from Hobby Lobby. That love sign is from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where those two things came from. I've had those for a long time. Back to the lovely wreath. And then over here, these are some DIYs that I made this year. The Scrabble tiles came from Target, and everything else is Dollar Tree. That frame is made using a gift bag, part of a gift bag that I cut out. This next area is the banners from Dollar Tree. I got those last year, and I know they have them out this year as well. This isn't really Valentine's, but I started pulling out some of my neutral decor as I took my Christmas down. The candle and this white candle holder are from Dollar Tree. And I just added one of their door hangers to this Christmas wreath that I had out. And this giant pillow I got on clearance from IKEA. I think it was $5. I used it for Christmas and Valentine's. There's another banner. Is that what you call those? Another DIY. And then the two red glass jars are also from Dollar Tree. And so is this red sign. I might as well just be quiet and let you look, because it's all either Dollar Tree or Target. So that sign, the heart sign, is from Dollar Tree. I just got some chalk and wrote love on there. And then I used their really thick wooden love signs that they had and painted it, added some greenery and a bow. Here in my family room, I have some shelving. And I made this a couple years ago. It's just a candle holder, and then I got their heart picks and stuck them in there, and it's one of my favorite things. And this marquee sign was from 99-cent only store. It was only $4.99. The lighting isn't great in here, sorry. That's from Dollar Tree. The tray is from Target Bullseye Playground, and then you guys have seen those ceramic houses from Dollar Tree. The bird is from there as well, and the plate I got on clearance last year from Target. Up to the next shelf. I'm not sure where I got the frame with a picture of me and my daughter in there, but I've had that for years. I made this vase with the multicolored roses from Dollar Tree items. Total cost for this was $3. I got this at Dollar General. The only thing I don't like about it is changing the letters or the numbers and the words every day. And there's an IKEA plant in a tin that I don't know where it came from. This tiered tray here isn't really Valentine's related, but there is some Dollar Tree and Target stuff on there. But the main Valentine's Day thing here is this giant pillow, which I made out of 2 handkerchiefs from Dollar Tree, hot glued it together, and stuffed it with some stuffing. This tray is from Target. And this was one of their little boxes with the pink truck, and I just added some floral in there. I love the truck. It's not getting old to me yet. We'll see how long until I get sick of it. Another ceramic house, and then a Dollar Tree glitter heart. On my ottoman, I have the round tray is from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. And then the tic-tac-toe is from Walmart. I think it was like $6 or $7. These pillows, the covers I got on Amazon, and I love the sweater one for winter. And then this blanket was worth every penny. It was $8.88 from Walmart. If you've seen my other video of Walmart Valentines, this was included on there. And I love the cacti and the hearts and the stuck on you. Back to my entryway. I've got the famous glitter red truck sign from Dollar Tree. The love is from 99-cent only store. And this is from last year at Dollar Tree, but I believe they have it out this year as well. And then I think this sign is really cute. Love is all you need, with the red truck again. And moving over here, I need something taller here, I think, but I have the X and the O with some Dollar Tree LED candles in there, and the picture of my kids, which is one of my favorites. And this I made maybe like 7 years ago, and I got the hearts from Michael's, and I just painted them different conversation heart pastel colors and wrote each of our names on there. And the ribbon on the back is from Dollar Tree. In my kitchen, again, not necessarily Valentine's, but I am burning the marshmallow fireside candle from Bath & Body Works. When I picked it up, I didn't like the smell of it, but you guys are right, when you burn it, it has a different smell and it's really good. This picture up here, this kitchen is seasoned with love. This wasn't in their Valentine's section, but I feel like it goes along with Valentine's Day. I got that at Dollar Tree just as is. And then this was one of the Christmas wooden DIY trucks, and I popped the trees off the back and glued some hearts on instead, and then added a few embellishments, and I love how it turned out. This tall skinny shelf I have in my corner, I always have a hard time figuring out what to put here, but these things that you are looking at belong to my mom, and so I can't say for sure where they came from, except for that ampersand sign came from Dollar Tree. And this candle I got at TJ Maxx, I have been burning it. It's the DW Home, and I do love it. And on my table, I have this tray from IKEA and some potted plants from IKEA, and then the Dollar Tree heart lights, which are so cute. I didn't think I would like them, but it's one of my favorite things that I have purchased for Valentine's Day. So thanks for joining me on my house tour.